In the upcoming Lok Sabha election on April 26, 2024, Chitradurga constituency in Karnataka braces for a heated electoral contest. BJP's Govind Karjol and Congress BN Chandrappa are in a fierce battle for the coveted seat previously held by BJP's A. Narayanaswamy. Chitradurga's political landscape is characterized by the dominance of the SC, ST and Lingayat communities, shaping the contours of electoral dynamics. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, BJP's A. Narayanaswamy secured victory with 6,26,195 votes. Rewinding to the 2014 Lok Sabha election, Congress BN Chandrappa emerged victorious. Chitradurga, one of the 28 Lok Sabha constituencies in Karnataka, is reserved for Scheduled Caste candidates. Encompassing the entire Chitradurga has 8 Vidhan Sabha constituencies, which became part of Karnataka post 1977. With a total of 16 Lok Sabha elections conducted, the Congress has emerged victorious 11 times from this constituency. However, candidates from various other parties such as the Praja Socialist Party, Swatantra Party, Janata Dal and JDU have also tasted success here. BJP's victories in 2009 and 2019 mark significant shifts in the political landscape, challenging the traditional Congress stronghold in Chitradurga.